Not every day, but close to every day, I get asked the question, should we be a corporation, an LLC, a limited liability partnership? What entity should we choose? So when it comes to picking which entity you should create, I believe that is a question for your accountant, okay? Talk to your CPA, talk to whoever does your tax returns, and get their advice for your municipality. Which entity should you choose? But I can tell you this. If you're a regular third-party seller on Amazon selling other people's branded products, then you want to have one entity to protect yourself from liability if something goes wrong with the product. If you are a private label seller and you have developed your own brand, then I strongly suggest you have two different entities. One to own the intellectual property rights, who that has no contract with Amazon. And number two, the second one, owns and operates the Amazon-based business. If you want to learn more about how best to structure your Amazon-based business, whether you're a private label seller or a third-party seller, contact us for a free consultation. I'm going to talk to you a bit about Zon Support, Z-O-N support.com. What zonsupport.com does is provide customer service specifically to Amazon sellers. Now, most Amazon-based businesses cannot afford staff 24/7. Zonsupport.com provides those people to you, all US-based, all English as a first language. And these are some of the things that zonsupport.com can provide to you. They can deal with your customer messages. They can deal with replacement products, returns, refunds. They can address low-star reviews, customer messages. They can deal with seller feedback and be your boots on the ground if any customer through Amazon has an issue with your product. You can provide 24/7 customer support. Please check out zonsupport.com. Greg is a remarkable business person, and I endorse him 100%.